Hello, I am Ravil Nugmanov, founder and software architect at One Way Automation. If we think about any manufacturing facility, any factory or plant where manufacturing processes are automated, you can find all sorts of automation devices. And modern IoT, AI, ML, real-time analytics solutions and databases such as Snowflake, for example, they do not have native connectors to access these devices. So that is the problem. And what we offer to solve this problem, we have a product called Idako Industrial Data Collector that bridges this gap. So what are the benefits? Using our application makes hard to access industrial raw data easily accessible and usable. Here is the high-level system diagram. So at the bottom you can see different kinds of industrial data sources. We convert every proprietary protocol to OPC UA. In order to make this data available in the cloud, we put our application Idako, Industrial Data Collector, and your data starts flowing to the cloud from industrial source to Snowflake. If you wonder what is the current status of the product, it's already available to download and start using from our company website. And in the roadmap, we also have plans to develop our solution further. The most important one is to add support to migrate to synchronize data from process historians with Snowflake. Why I think it's very important? Because process historians very often they have millions of tags in their multiple sites, and if you move all that data into Snowflake platform, then I think it's huge. And now please let me present a live demo of our Idako application which runs in our test lab. Here is the configuration web GUI of the application. In the left side panel address space, you can add connections to OPC servers. I have already added connections to 5 servers, and you can browse address space, spend nodes, and then find desired variables, select them and click on the log button, and they will be added to the list of logged variables. Or you can add all low-level children, or you can open variable selector dialog window and automatically browse and select variables from the address space of the server in seconds. This is your data sources, and then here in the central panel we have logged variables. It shows what variables are currently collected data for. We have 0 bad variables and 25,000 good variables, and they are getting values updated every 5 seconds. And in the settings we can configure connection to Snowflake. We can see here name of the database, and then we enter username and API token. We have timeouts, we have batch size, and then we have a whole bunch of other settings. So this is how we configure connection to Snowflake. And then in the statistics we can see what is current status of our application, and we are connected and ready to get data. And we can see that collection rate and forward rate are approximately equal. So here is how we verify that our application is working. And now let's look at the Snowflake trial account. There is a test database here where we are logging data to, and we have here a few tables which were created automatically by our application Idako. Here you can see table data values where all raw data recorded to. Other tables carry information about context, metadata associated with data values. These are variables table, servers table, and data types table. On this, our demo is complete. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.